Assembling the children's CanDo Plastic Ball Chair. Before assembling your ball chair, review the manual included to become familiar with the parts. Begin by screwing 2 of the nuts labeled J onto the support bar labeled C. Place the support bar into the holes of the base. Screw the other 2 nuts onto the support bar. They can be tightened with the wrench provided. Place the back of the chair onto the base so that the curve faces forward. Secure it by screwing the 2 knobs into the holes on the bottom. Connect the 4 wheels to the bottom of the base by pushing them in firmly. To pump the ball, screw part F into the pump and begin pumping the ball through the hole until it is firm. Insert the plug, which can be found taped to the ball. The ball can now be placed into the chair. The material will expand to its full size 24 to 48 hours later, and you may finish inflating. The ball may need to be topped off periodically over time.